Good morning, class. Welcome to the first sort of online lesson that we're going to be doing for grade 9 exploration of IDM. So I'm just posting this little video here just to show you how you're going to go about showing me or sharing with me the work that you're doing while you're working at home. So what I want you to do is I want you to go to scratch.mit.edu, and I want you to go up to your name here in the top right hand corner, click down, and go to My Stuff. Now, I've done a couple of tutorials. You can see I've done some playing around with various things here. But here's the tutorial I was working on with you guys the other day. I'm just going to click Unshare because that's what you guys would look like right now. So if you click on your game, so click right here on the name of it, and you're in your game sort of main screen, not in the inside area, but this will also work if you are inside the game. There's going to be a couple of things here that we're going to do a little bit later, but the first thing I want you to take a look at is to see if you have this orange banner along the top. So this orange banner right here basically allows other people to see your game if you share it. So part of what we're doing with being in Scratch as a classroom, we'll all have a classroom studio, so I'm going to get you to first, before you do anything else, post your game into our classroom. If you do not have this banner up here and your game isn't shared, that means you haven't verified your account. If you have not verified your account, you can click over here, go to Account Settings, go to, I believe it's Email, and you should have a Verify Your Email here if you are not confirmed. You can see I have a little check mark here. It says my email has been confirmed. So if you have not confirmed your email, you're going to have to send a new email from this area, and you then go to your Google Gmail account and click on the email that gets sent and verify your account. But I'm going to go back here. So what I want you to do is I want you to click Share, and that will allow you to share this game that you're working on. I'm also going to ask that you put your first name _, first initial, first Scratch game as your title, just so that I can easily understand whose game is whose game. Once you've done that, hit that share button right there. I'm going to go down here and go Add to Studio, and I want you to go to the Grade 9 IDM Q3 Studio. So this should be the studio that's part of your Scratch classroom. If some of you are having issues with this, you can also just type this in under search at the top. So grade 9 IDM Q3. So we're going to click on this one. We're going to turn that one off. We're going to click on this one right here. Make sure that's the one we've selected and click OK. Then to see your game in the studio, you can go here, My Stuff, Studios. And you can see here, you should have a grade 9 IDM Q3 Studio. So I've added my tutorial there, so that will allow you to actually look inside my game and just reference it to see if you're having anything that isn't working properly. You can always add that in there. I'm going to click Allow Anyone to add projects. So now you're all allowed to add projects in here. And I'm going to follow it. So I'm going to get you to do that so that you're all updated. And that's the first thing I'm going to ask you guys to all do today, is if you can all get your projects shared and added into the Grade 9 IDM Q3 Studio. Remember, if you're searching for it, you can just search in Grade 9 IDM Q3, hit Enter, and click on Studios, and it will pop up here as well. Okay, so thanks very much. I can get you to do that today, and then we can begin working on our games together. I'm going to post a few more videos just running you through a few more things about how to program some stuff in Scratch. Thanks, guys.